Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome back to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to talk about XDC. One of my viewers had asked for me to revisit it, so I'm going to revisit it. We'll take a look at the charts. We'll see if there's any potential for profit. I do see some. I think we're pretty low on everything right now, but it's starting to move a little bit upward. Now, whether it's going to stay like that, I don't know, but I do see some potential profit for right now, and I'm going to share that with you guys, okay? And remember, this is all my opinion only. It's not advice, okay? So let me share my screen with you guys, but before I do, for those of you guys that are new, this is what I do. I jump into coins, I jump into stocks, I look for entries, and I let you know my entry point, what my exit point would be, and I let you know why, okay? So if that's something that helps you out, if you think that's something that interests you in your due diligence, in researching things, then please look over here, subscribe to the channel. And if you don't, you're probably going to want to subscribe here in about 5 minutes, okay? So keep watching. I'm not going to mislead you here. All right, let me share my screen. Ding, ding. Bam. Okay, here I am. I'm over on Trading View. Here's XDC right there. And right now it's at 0.029. Okay, we are on the 27th of July, 2022. So what I do for those of you that are new is I draw bases on charts. When price action moves below that base, more often than not, it'll swing back up and it'll touch that base again. Okay, so let me share with you guys some examples. Here's a base right here. It broke it and it came back up. There's one, it broke it and came back up. Here's one, it broke it and came back up. Here's one, it broke that one, it came back up over here. Here's one, it broke it real quick, one little candlestick. I'm on the one-day chart, by the way. It broke it came back up. And then later on, it broke it again and came back up. It broke this base right here. And look, it came back up over here. It broke right there, it came up, it broke right there, and it came up. That's my BTC alert. Right there, it broke that one and it came up. So they're swinging back up, right? You're seeing that they're breaking the base and they're coming back up. And so what that lets you know is like, it lets you know that, hey, this is the dip. I have a good chance of buying in the dip because now I know where the dip is and I have a good chance of it coming back, okay? So just like in here, if I bought on this dip, it would have ridden back up. I would have gained that profit right there, okay? So let's keep going a little bit more. Let me move it up over here. It broke right there. And we'll go over here in history and we'll take a look and see what happened. It broke real quick, that one right there, it came back up. It broke right there, it came back up. It broke this one right here. And if I drag the line over a little bit more, there it is, it came back up. It broke that one and it came back up. So you guys can see what's going on here, right? And if you guys have not seen this before, or if you're appreciating this, please look down below the video right now. There's a thumbs up icon. If you could take a split second and just tap it with your mouse or with your finger if you're on your cell phone, that helps me out. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. They start recommending my videos to other people. Okay, so let's keep going here. So this is kind of where we're at. Just like over here, if I was like this, and this is all you saw, you would say, well, God, I don't know if that's ever going to come back up because it's in the history, right? But we see over time, it came back up. So more often than not, it breaks it, it comes back up. So I feel pretty confident, in my opinion, not advice, that this should be able to get back up into this range. It's a matter of a waiting game. But this broke all the way back in the beginning of January. Remember, we've been in a bear market all this time. It's been taking a long time for things to come back. Last time, the last longest period I saw was about a year. But most of the times, I was bringing back profit within a couple days to, maybe a week, maybe a month. And I was pulling in probably anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000 a month on average. But now, it's a different game. Everybody's in the red right now. But if you have extra money and you're wanting to invest, these are things that you can think about when you're deciding on, what you should jump into. So you can see here, it broke that one, it came back up, it broke that one, it came back up, it broke that one, it came back up, it broke that one, it broke that one. So it has not swung up yet, right? On right there. So this is kind of what I'm seeing, and you guys can jot this down if you want. And we're going to do calculations in a second, so don't leave. This is the top right up here, 0.079, right up in that range. Okay, that's on a long-term hold. But for shorter holds, it's right down here. It's at 0.029. It's right in there. Bing. So you could set a quick take profit up here at roughly 0.036, somewhere right in there, or right there, or right there. It's just a matter of a waiting game, right? So these are all potentials. These aren't exact. You don't have to go with any of these. You could go with any number you want, but I'm just telling you anywhere in this range right here. Let me draw it with my little draw tool. Anywhere in that range right there is potential. Now, I don't set my take profit above it because I think usually what happens is when it hits, like it did right there, it hits it, and then it goes right back down. Okay. It hit this one right there, and then it went right back down. Okay, so let's do some calculations. Okay, so here's XDC. This is my spreadsheet. If you guys want a copy of this to run some numbers, to keep track of your stuff, I'm going to share with you guys how you can get a free copy of this. I'll email it to you for free, okay? So what I do is I come in here and I say, okay, I'm going to change my entry price. So what I do is I go over here and I look and I say, okay, the entry price is 0.0292. So I come over here and I type 0.0292 and it adds it all in there. And then what I do is I choose my exit price. Here's the exit prices I told you about. And let me share with you guys right here. Here they are. So what I did is I wrote them down over here too. So let's just choose this first one right here, 0.0357. So if I come up here and I go 0.0357, boom, it changes what my profit is right here. So I get 22%. If I have this defaulted in here, I can change it if I want to, but it's just so I know how much do I want to invest? How much do I have to play with? If I only have 50 bucks, I type in 50 bucks. If I have 800 bucks, I type in 800 and everything else calculates. Okay, so I'm just going to put 100 here. So on a $100 investment, I could make $22. That's pretty good, 22%. If I have 500, it breaks down to 111. If I put in 1,000, and I'm only going to 0.0 right here, 0.0357, which is right. Where is it? It's like right in there, right in that range. If look at how close it is. It's so close to that. So you know, I could quickly make on $1,000, I can make 22%. But let's say I want to change. I want to see how much am I going to make at 0.0394? 0.0394. Don't leave, guys, because I'm going to share with you guys how you can get this spreadsheet. 0.0394 comes up to 35%. And if I've got tons of money and you're like, you know what, I love XDC and I'm okay to hold on it for a year rather than my money just sitting in my bank account earning a measly 1%, I'm going to put it at 0.079. Let's see, look over here, watch what happens. Boom, 171%. So on a $100 investment, I could make 170. On 500, I could make 852. So what I could do is I could say, you know what, I'm going to set it at 0.079. But I'm going to watch it. I'm going to set a reminder to keep monitoring this. And if I see that it's taking a slow time, it's just kind of, you know, it's just, and then it finally goes up a little bit, I might go, you know what, it's been 3 months since Ryan did his video and it hasn't gone up here yet. Maybe I'll set my take profit up here. So then what I do is I jump into the exchange, I make the change on the exit price, and then close it out, take my profit, move on to something else. Okay, so if you guys want a copy of my spreadsheet, go over to my Instagram channel. Where is it? Not now. Here it is right here. It's called Investing Points. Come on, load up. I'm updating software on my other computer here, so it's taking a minute. Let me see if I can pause this. Oh, here it comes. Okay, so here it is right here. If you guys come over here, follow me on Investing Points, send me a DM message, direct message. Give me your email address and say, hey, Ryan, will you send me the spreadsheet? Here's my email address, and I'll email it to you guys for free, okay? And the last thing is for you guys, oh, here's the guy, Crypto ISO asked about XDC. For those of you guys, if you click on my username below this video, after this video, you'll come to this page. But if you click on the videos tab, it loads up my whole library. And what happens is you can come in here and you can see all my other videos. Let me pause this for a second. Boom. Okay, see all my other videos start rolling in. And you guys can come in here and look at some of these ones. I'd recommend, you know, looking at the most recent videos, because, you know, a lot of the other data, it's still relevant, but since everything's been dropping so much, I'd probably recommend focusing more on the, you know, the first 3 lines here. I'm going to be doing more videos, but if you guys are stuck in on any coins, then what I recommend is at the bottom of this video, add a comment and say, hey, Ryan, can you let me know about, you know, whatever coin you're looking at, ADA, XRP, XLM, whatever it is. Okay. Say, I'm stuck in on this coin. What do you foresee? Because some of you guys are jumping out of these trades because you're like, this market is going to pot. I got to get my money out. I got to get, you know, if I put 500 in, I got to get my $10 back. And rather than selling everything, you might be in the dip, right? There might be an opportunity for it to come back. So that's what I do. I do videos for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, I told you, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. So please, over here, subscribe to the channel. And then smack that bell when it pops up so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. And one of these greatly helps me. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll be doing more videos. I got to do some videos for this guy, Sam. Sam's asking about these guys. So I'm going to probably try to put some videos together here. The wifey's out. She's running some errands. So I'm going to try to hustle and get these things going. You probably can't even see this because I think I'm on the wrong screen. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye.